The human body is often seen as a complex and fascinating entity that raises questions about the nature of existence, consciousness, identity, and the relationship between mind and body. It is a biofield, a vortex, a complex and interconnected system. A vortex is a swirling motion of fluid or energy that creates a dynamic flow pattern, and the human body also has intricate patterns of movement, circulation, and energy flow within it. According to ancient texts, that the human life simultaneously exists in two parallel dimensions, one physical body, sthula sharira, and another mind body or subtle body or energy body, shushma sharira. And this energy field surrounding the physical body that radiates out 5 to 8 feet horizontally and 2 to 3 feet vertically above the head and below the feet. It is invisible to human eye but can be mapped and seen through thermographic photography, which shows a broader spectrum of light. In 1970, National Institute of Health (NIH) described it as a field of energy and information surrounding and permeating the human body. This both body interacts with each other. The subtle body or energy body consists of nadi or energy channels, and they are connected by nodes, psychic energy called chakras. Chakras are spinning wheels of energy. There are many energy vortices in our subtle body, but the primary chakras are located in the chakra channel that runs from below the feet along the spine within the physical body to above the head. These chakras empower you to take control of your health in a more holistic and spiritual way. Each chakra has its own spiritual and emotional benefits. Chakra work is based on the belief that we must be integrated physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually for total well-being to occur. This is an ancient healing system which has fascinated healthcare professionals and general public for its profound appeal in alternative therapies. Chakras are energy centers in the body that are believed to correspond to different nerve plexuses and organs. There are 7 main chakras located along the spine, starting from the base and going up to the crown of the head. Each chakra is associated with specific qualities and aspects of our physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. The balance and alignment of these chakras are thought to be important for overall health and harmony in our lives. Practices like yoga, meditation, and energy healing are often used to help balance and activate the chakras. Now let's know the 7 energy centers that help us maintain physical and mental balance. If we start from the very bottom, the root chakra or Muladhara chakra comes first. It is between the coccyx and pelvic bone and also associated with the development of the sense of security, stability, and fearlessness. Next is sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra, which is below the navel and above the root chakra. It is related with development of our creativity, sexuality, emotions. Above sacral chakra, the another chakra is solar plexus chakra or Manipura chakra. It is near your upper abdomen and associated with the development of self-esteem, confidence. Then comes the heart chakra or Anahata chakra, which is in the chest near heart and thymus gland. It is linked to love, compassion, acceptance. Above heart chakra, throat chakra or Vishuddha chakra is there, which governs communication, expression. Between our 2 eyes and linked with pituitary gland, another chakra is there. It is known as third eye chakra or Agya chakra. This is responsible for intuition, imagination, wisdom, spiritual awareness. At the top of our head, the 7th chakra or crown chakra or Sahasrara chakra is located. It represents higher consciousness, connection to the universe, and divine wisdom. So, balancing all those chakras, we can attain eternal happiness, bliss, and divinity. We are no less than a great cosmic force. Unleash your indomitable power to experience cosmic bliss by activating all your chakras.